Hello everyone! If you believe that learning electronics is only possible by attending a technical high school, you will discover through this course that it is also possible to learn it at home, at any age, because it is far from being as difficult as many still claim. First, we will discuss the basic concepts of electricity. Then, we will learn to recognize all electronic components, decipher the symbols used in electrical schematics, and with simple and fun practical exercises, we will introduce you to the fascinating world of electronics. We are certain that this course will be greatly appreciated by young self-learners, students, and teachers, who will find that electronics can also be explained in a comprehensible way with simpler language than that used in school textbooks. By following our instructions, you will have the great satisfaction of seeing that, even starting from scratch, you will be able to assemble hi-fi amplifiers, stabilized power supplies, digital clocks, measuring instruments, and even transmitters that work perfectly as if they had been assembled by professional technicians. To the young and not so young who are starting from zero, we hope that electronics will become their main activity in the near future. Our goal is to make you true experts without boring you too much, but rather by entertaining you. In this video series, learn electronics from scratch in a super easy way. We will provide you with step-by-step courses until we finish the entire book. A total of 3 books will be presented in this series on this channel. Enjoy. Now, I will let you enjoy the video. The PDF book is available for download. Check the link in the description below. See you in the next one. Bye.